Good evening, students. So in this video, I want to make some announcements. Now on my channel, you can join memberships, and there are two types of memberships. When you click on the join button, which is coming next to my channel's name, then you will see that there are two levels of membership. One is beginner level and second one is advanced level. The beginner membership is rupees 199, and in that you get an early access to my videos. Member shoutouts are there, members only shorts, loyalty badges, and you will get custom emojis to use in comments and live chat. When you go to the advanced membership, which is of rupees 599, there you will get members only videos and members only study material. So this is a change that I'm going to bring now, from now onwards, that the videos and the subjects that I'll be covering in the videos related to NEET PG, related to INI-CT, FMGE, and second MBBS and BPT. So the videos will be there, and we'll be doing the work on the study material, and the study material PDF will be available to the members only. So if you join the membership and become an advanced member, then the study material will be given to you for your revision and for your practice. Apart from that, you can also buy super chats and super thanks, and that will go a long way in supporting my channel. I would also like to say here that this YouTube channel, Dr. Prerna Pharma, is a passion project for me, and it is something that I do along with my regular job, and I take out time from that busy schedule, and I make the study material, and I make the videos and do the editing and everything single-handedly, because somewhere I always wanted to help the students understand the difficult subjects of medical profession, and not just academically, but there are so many other topics, so many other things which students need guidance about, students need mentorship about, and so things which were not available for me when I was a student, and because of which a lot of wrong decisions we take normally when people are not there to guide us. So this was the aim behind making this channel, to be of help to the students, and it's a project which takes a lot of time and energy and effort of mine. So joining memberships and buying super chats or super thanks is going to be helpful to me in certain way. So, and it will be, I shall be grateful for your support and for your help. I would request you to share this channel with all your friends and colleagues and students, whether you're seniors or juniors, because this is a channel not just about pharmacology but about medical profession as a whole. So you can share this channel to everyone. I would like more and more people to join this community and grow.